What is going on, guys? My name is Caden Hayward. I'm the CEO of Coach Hayward. We help busy 9-to-5 workers lose belly fat, build confidence with zero food restrictions. Alright, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make working out fun. Yes, I know that may sound impossible to you, but it is 100% possible, and I've learned this through leg day. Alright, so because leg day is not always fun, so I've learned how to actually make it more fun. So, when you're working out and stuff, it's got to be fun, or at least a little bit enjoyable, until you build the discipline to just keep going. Because if not, then you're not going to be able to do it for the long term. Which is why we always tell our clients to start off slow and enjoy it. So how to enjoy it is to find something you love. Maybe it's not weightlifting, maybe it's Zumba, maybe it's like a lot of yoga work added on, maybe it's calisthenics, maybe it's HIIT. Whatever it is just find what you love. Maybe it's running. Everybody's different though, which is why you need to really, find what you love and stick with it, enjoy it. So if you go to the gym someday and let's say you have this whole program that you're following and it says like, okay, gotta do this, just a bunch of stuff you don't want to do and you just kind of want to get in, get out, that's okay, because at least you're there, like at least you're going, so at least you're doing something productive. So just go in, switch it up. Just switch it up, and just have fun with it. Like, oh, I want to try this workout. I want to try some lunges instead of squats. Maybe I'm going to do this. Whatever it is, just switch it up and enjoy it. Like, just do what you find is fun. Maybe it's circuit training, so you can just get it done really quickly instead of set after set after set. Whatever it is, get it done, but make it fun, okay? And that being said, you don't have to follow a specific thing all the time. You can switch it up and make it really fun for yourself so you can keep coming back and doing it. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you try to make working out more fun. Kind of look at it as like a mini job. So you're at home or whatever and you're gonna go work out, so you get your workout stuff on, so you get your dress clothes on for work, you get your workout stuff on for working out. Next, you get all your protein for after, maybe your pre-workout, NTS, CH, pump fuel, and now you're getting into the zone. You got the music on, your phone's on silent, so no distractions, and you're going in and you're just getting it done. You're putting your favorite tunes on, and you're just making yourself feel great. It's gonna be hard to do. The hardest part is literally just doing it, but after you're gonna feel amazing. And then you just have to stick with it, which is why working with a one-on-one coach is the best option if you want long-term results. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like below and have a great day. I'll be talking to you guys very soon.